Hello everyone, this is Rizwan Yousaf. This is an introductory video on creating gym information management system using ASP.NET Core MVC and MS SQL Server as database. Okay, what we will achieve by the end of this video series, we will have a gym management system where we can store the gym trainees' basic information such as his picture, weight, height, blood group, and his monthly fee, etc. etc. Okay, we will add Microsoft RDLSC reporting in order to create monthly fee voucher. I have divided this tutorial into multiple parts. Okay, so let's get started with the first part of this video series. Welcome to the first part of creating gym information management system using ASP.NET Core MVC and SQL Server as database. Okay, in the first part we will create a new project in Visual Studio. Okay, secondly we will install required NuGet packages in our project, and thirdly we will create our model classes and add our DB context class because we are going to use entity framework core in our project. Okay, so in order to use entity framework core in our project we have to use some NuGet packages and DB context class as well. Okay, we will install that required packages and we will add DB context class in our project. Fourthly, we will run migrations. When we have a model classes and we have a DB context class and connection string in our DB context class, then we will run our migrations, and in the result of migration we will have a database and table in that database. Okay, let's do it in the first part of this video series. Welcome to the second part of creating Gym Trainees Information Management web application using ASP.NET Core, Entity Framework Core and MS SQL Server as database. Okay, we will start our working where we stopped in the last video. If you have not seen the last part of this video series, I will strongly suggest please go and watch it first for the better understanding of this video tutorial. Okay, what we will do in this video, we will complete our model classes and we will add DB set properties in our DB context class which we created in the last part of this video, right? And after that we will run migrations, okay? And in the later part of video we will check newly created database and table in that database. Okay, let's do it. Now we have a model classes and we have also added DB set properties in our DB context class. Our project is ready to run migrations. When we will run migrations, the database will be created in MS SQL Server. The name of that database will be GymDB, okay, according to our DB context class, and the table of that database will also be according to our DB context class. Okay, let's check it by running migrations. Hello everyone, this is Rizwan Yousaf. Welcome to the third part of creating gym trainees information management web application using ASP.NET Core MVC, Entity Framework Core and MS SQL Server as database. What we created in the last or previous part of this video series, we created model classes in our project, we created DB set properties in DB context class, and we also saw how we can run migrations using code first approach, etc, etc. Okay, in today's video we will create controller and we will add controller in our project and its action method as well in order to save gym trainees information to the database table. Okay, we will add dependency injection in our application and use it in our controller as well. Okay, and then we will design our view page. Okay, let's do it. Welcome to the fourth part of Gym Trainees Information Management Web Application using ASP.NET Core MVC and MS SQL Server as database. We will start our working where we stopped in the last session. Okay, I will strongly suggest please watch the previous session of this video series for the better understanding of this video tutorial. Right? What we will complete or achieve in this video? In this video we will add more information in the view related to the gym training, such as his height, his blood group, which we will get from database, and his training level, which is also database driven. Okay, in the last part of this video tutorial, we will get selected value from drop down list and set it to the model attribute using JavaScript. Okay, let's get started. So before moving forward, we will change our model class slightly. We will add navigation property in our model classes. If we discuss what navigation properties are in Entity Framework, navigation property is a property that describes the relationship between two entities. Okay, this relationship either a one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many. Okay, consider the following image. You can see in this image we have two entities. The first one is employee and the second one is department. And employee model is a child model or dependent model, and department model is a parent model or principal model. Okay, and employee model we have a navigation property, department property. Okay, and in department model we have a property I collection implies. This is a navigation property. So based on these navigation property, we can say we have one-to-many relationship between employee and department. One department has multiple employees and one employee has one department. Okay, when we will run our migrations, the relationship between the tables of our database will be created based on these navigation properties when we will run our migrations. Okay, so we will have a change in our model classes slightly and we will run our migrations again. Let's do it. everyone, this is Rizwan Yousaf. Welcome to the fifth part of creating gym trainees information management web application using ASP.NET Core MVC, Entity Framework Core and SQL Server, MS SQL Server as database. We will start our working where we stopped in the last session. In today's video, we will create our post action method in our gym trainees controller in order to save gym trainees information into the database table. We will get selected value from drop down list using JavaScript and set it to the model attribute. We will also save the gym trainees picture into the directory of the project and its link to the database. Okay, these are the major objective of this video. If you have not seen the last session, I will strongly suggest please go and watch it first for the better understanding of this video tutorial. Okay, let's get started. So in our gym trainees controller, we will add our post action method in order to save gym trainees information. Okay, I will just copy this function and paste here. I will remove this code okay and convert it from get to post. I will remove this line and here we will use bind function. Here we will add our model attribute, all model attribute. Okay. I will copy these attribute and paste here. And in the end, I will add our model class. After doing this, we will check if our model state is valid. Then we will save our record into the database. Okay. This code is related to image. I will copy this code which is related to image and paste here. And we have to add some references, just like I will add let's name this and this one and this one. I will copy this web host environment and paste here. And in order to save the image into the directory, we have to this image directory into our project. And I will create this directory into our project like this. Okay, and here I will add I will make this method as task. paste like this. So this code is related to our image, and after that sim trainee creation date. I will assign the date to this attribute, system date, system date time dot now. And db context add object of our model class. db context I will use await. Okay, and after save the record, we have to redirect here. We will add name of index. Now we will check our code, is it working as expected or not. Okay, I will add a breakpoint and run the project. Now you can see our model state is not valid. It means some values are missing in our object. Let's debug why our model state is not true. So we have to fix these invalid into valid. Then we will able to save the record into database. Okay, let's do that. Welcome to the sixth part of creating gym trainees information management web application using ASP.NET Core MVC and Entity Framework Core and MS SQL Server as database. In this quick video tutorial, we will design our index page. In the index page, we will add a search box in order to find specific gym training from the list. Okay, and we will add new edit, delete and collect fee button. Okay, so let's get started. Before getting started, I would say if you have not seen the last part of this video series, watch it first for the better understanding of this video tutorial, right? And please don't forget to hit the subscribe, like and share button. Thank you. Let's get started. Yes, you can see we have created our indexed view successfully, but we have some issues in our index view. As you can see, we have not our image in proper format, and blood group and training level is also missing, and the buttons are also not in proper format. So we have to fix these minor issues one by one. Let's get started. As you can see, we have a blood group ID and training level ID in our gym training table. Okay, and where we have the blood group name, and we have a blood group name in our blood group table. Okay, so we can say we have a primary key and foreign key relationship between trainee and blood group. So I will write a join query in order to understand the relationship. Okay. You can see we have a blood group name by joining two table, because we have a primary key and foreign key relationship between blood group table and training tables. So how we can join two entities in our action method, and how we can send the joined data to our view, to our indexed view. So in order to fulfill these requirements, we have to add one more model class in our project. Welcome to the 7th part of creating gym trainees information management web application using ASP.NET Core MVC and entry framework Core and MS SQL Server as database. In this quick video tutorial, we will add, edit, delete functionality in our project related to gym training. Okay, and we will design our fee collection page. And in the later part of the video, we will install RDLC reporting in our project because we are going to use RDLC reporting in our project. Okay, let's get started. Welcome to the last part of creating gym trainees information management web application using ASP.NET Core, Entity Framework Core and MS SQL Server is database. In this last part of this video series, we will add two pages or view. First page is index view, and the second one is pay monthly fee view. What we will show in index view, we will show gym trainees list with their fee status. Okay, status will show either the fee is paid or not. If the fee is paid, then we will go for generating the monthly fee paid slip using RDLC reporting. Okay, and what we will do on pay monthly fee view, in this view we will simply receive or collect the monthly fee from gym trainee. Okay, and in the later part of video we will install, design and generate RDLC report in ASP.NET Core. Okay, let's get started. Before getting started, I would say, if you have not seen the last part of this video series, I will strongly suggest please go and watch it first for the better understanding of this video tutorial. Okay, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe, like and share button. As you know, we have a class trainee details view model. In this model, we have a gym trainee multi-view model, plat group training level and monthly fee voucher. Okay, we have a combined data in this class gym trainee multi-view model. Now we will add another controller in our project. Okay, I will call it fee voucher. And now we will add dependency injection in our controller. We will copy the code related to dependency injection from gym trainee controller. Okay, copy. Just paste. I will type CTOR and click the tab button 2 times. Now we will add our two action method. The first one is indexed and the second one is pay monthly fee, which we have discussed in the earlier part of the video. Pay monthly fee. The first one is selected radio button and the second one is selected date. Okay, now we will add our view. Indexed. From here we will select list and there, and from here we will select trainees detail view model. Okay, and hit the add button. Now we have got our indexed view ready, but we have not radio button in our view. Okay, first we will pass the radio button value from controller, and then we will catch that value in our view. Okay, this is our view back variable, and value we will set the value in our view back variable from this parameter. Okay, I have the code of indexed view in my notepad. I will just copy and paste in our view. Okay, and this is our main heading fee collection list. And this value we will get from our view back variable from our controller. Okay, if the value is list, then the radio button of list will be selected automatically, and if the value is paid, then the paid radio button will be selected automatically. Okay, and if the value is unpaid, then the unpaid radio button will be selected automatically. Okay, and if the date is not null, then we will set the value of date which is coming from view back data variable. Okay, and this is our index action method, and this is our controller name. Okay, in this index action method we will get the gym trainees list with their fee status. Okay, we will create a function Now we will join gym trainees entity with monthly fee voucher entity, and from monthly fee voucher entry we will get the gym trainee fee status. Either the fee is paid or not, we will get it from monthly fee voucher. Okay, join monthly fee voucher in context monthly fee voucher on t dot trainee id equal mf trainee id. Okay, we will join these two entities based on their IDs into fee monthly fee status. Fee voucher details view model. From here we will select T dot gym from here we will select gym trainee multi-view equal T comma monthly fee voucher MFV. Okay, now we will add the condition, where condition, where MFV monthly fee voucher status equal, which is coming from this parameter. Okay. If we are getting list from the parameter selected radio button equal list then we will show the list of all gym trainees. Okay, and if the user selected paid radio button, then we will show the gym trainees list with their paid fee status. Okay. And the last one is unpaid. And the selected data we will give to our view. We will slightly change our function. We will not use view here. Okay, and call this function in index method, index action method. Okay, result and this one. and this function has two parameters. First one this, and the second one is this. And we will give this result to our view. Now we will run our project and we will see our indexed view is working as expected or not. Okay. Yes, we have fee collection list page, and if you can see, we have a multiple radio buttons. The first one is list radio button, and the second one is paid radio button, and the third one is unpaid radio button. Okay, if the list radio button is selected, then the whole list will be shown on this page. Okay, and if the paid radio button is selected, the record will show with paid status. And if unpaid radio button is selected, then the record will show with unpaid status. Okay, not paid yet. Now we will create our second view. Pay monthly fee. From here we will collect the monthly fee from gym trainee, as we discussed in the earlier part of the video, at the beginning of the video. Okay. As you can see, we will collect the monthly fee from gym training from the screen as I have demonstrated. Okay. Now we will go for print the voucher. Now we will go for print the paid slip or monthly fee voucher. In order to print the monthly fee voucher, we will install, design and generate the RDLC reporting, RDLC reports. Okay, let's do it. Now we will add Windows Form application in our project in order to use RDLC reporting. We will design our report in Windows Form application and then we will transfer our report from Windows application to our web application. Let's see how we can do this. Now we will add one more controller in our project. I will call it report controller. This function is related to report to print the fee voucher slip. And this code is related to report parameter. Now we will create report directory and transfer our report from Windows application to our web application. So first I will create a directory. Reports, and this is my report which we have designed. I will just copy and paste from here. Copy and paste in this directory. Okay. And our PDF file will be saved in this directory. We have all done. Now I am going to perform a whole cycle of our application. First I will save gym trainee's information with his image, and after that I will collect fee from him, and after collecting the fee I will generate the fee voucher, the paid fee voucher. Okay, let's do it.